watching me by Neela Trewari.
As girls, it's our instinct to look beautiful, because when a woman looks beautiful, she taps her inner shafts of power and she feels like a powerful woman. So we need to work on an image makeover where we re-chisel our personality, and our tools, arms and ammunition, which are also the components of image makeover, are our wardrobe, our jewelry, our makeup essentials, footwear, and the list is endless when it comes to a girl's shopping. In sync with our image makeover, we like to create variations in our looks, and our hairstyling plays a significant role in recreating a new image. So we must know how to play with our tresses. Now let me share about my hair. I have very long and natural hair. See, that's what it looks like. At Worldwide Institute of Grooming and Pageants, we've got this state-of-the-art hair salon where we do most advanced hair treatments, be it chemical or styling. But it is my personal choice to ensure that I keep them absolutely natural, to the extent I don't even get them trimmed for spiritual reasons. Now, for a person who uses no chemical, be it global hair color, highlights, balayage, Olaplex, keratin, kerastase, Botox, and the list is endless when it comes to hair treatments. How do I chisel out a new look and feel nice and beautiful about myself? Because I also feel like taking highlights and feel much younger. So today I'm gonna give you a 5-minute hack using colored hair extensions, how you can create a much younger new look without using chemical on your hair. So let's dive into the subject and show you hands-on on using colored hair extensions. Technique in case you wanna create volume and the front face styling. You can do softer back combing, and you can do very hard back combing also. I prefer softer one because it does end up damaging your hair in the long run. are made of artificial hair. You can see these are straight hair extensions and the color is different. One is blonde and the other is honey. So if you come closer and see, this has got these clip-ons. So we're going to clip these on into our natural hair roots and make them merge and blend into our natural hair. These are straight hair tresses and I would show you what the curly hair extensions look like. So these are curly wavy hair extensions. These are honey in color. You can get them in various colors like red and purples and greens and blondes. So this has got this clip on. We're going to clip this on into our natural hair roots and merge them so that we don't even have to use a tong to give that curly effect and create a new look for our own selves. So let's dive into the hairstyle and show you how we do it. So we clipped on the artificial extensions into our natural hair roots and we've done a front styling, be it back combing, a little puffing or a twist, and then we bring those golden and honey hair extensions and we merge them into our natural tresses. So you see it looks somewhat like this and I hope you like it. I love it because it's a new look in just 5 minutes. Thank you so much for tuning into our channel Grooming and Patterns by Nileshwari. It really means a world to us. Do subscribe to our channel, like, comment, share and give a thumbs up. I repeat, if you're a first-time visitor to my channel and genuinely find the channel to be beneficial, may I request you to join and subscribe to my channel. I can assure you that you are going to get benefited to the core. If you are a returning subscriber, I heartfully thank you for this kind gesture. Thank you so much.
WYGP by Neela Chouari.